Riddle. What is the quickest thing in the world? Answer. Thought. It is and it isn't. It can be slow too. Oh, how slow. Only slowly and laboriously do men, people, society realize what has happened to them, realize the truth about their position. In herding the 58s into special camps, Stalin was exerting his strength mainly for his own amusement. He already had them as securely confined as he could be, but he thought he would be craftier than ever and improve on his best. He thought he knew how to make it still more frightening. The results were quite the opposite. The whole system of oppression elaborated in his reign was based on keeping malcontents apart, preventing them from reading each other's eyes and discovering how many of them there were, instilling into all of them, even into the most dissatisfied, that no one was dissatisfied except for a few doomed individuals, blindly vicious and spiritually bankrupt. In the special camps, however, there were malcontents by the thousands. They knew their numerical strength, and they realized that they were not spiritual paupers, that they had a nobler conception of what life should be than their jailers, than their betrayers, than the theorists who tried to explain why they must rot in camp.